Hey, hello. In today's video, I'm going to share with you a wonderful keyword research tool. I don't think you have heard about it till now because it's not that popular, but this tool is surely awesome. I will show you at first why this tool is different than the others, and then I will show you how this tool works. So the keyword research tool is searchresponse.io. You can already see it in the screen. The domain is searchresponse.io. So first let me share why this tool is different. Those of us who don't follow any keyword research tool like the search volume and stuff, because those data are wrong, we tend to do our keyword research manually. Like suppose I have searched a keyword like Devon Rex. Devon Rex is one kind of cat breed. So those of us who manually research the keywords, we see stuff like people also ask questions, and then the Google related searches, and then we manually check the competition, then we try to find the keywords. Like if I had to do it manually, I will take each of these questions, I will search them separately, and I will check what are the articles, how do they look like, what is the quality. Then if there is low competition, I might decide to write on that topic. But the problem is we have no idea out of these questions which one is more popular or which one will get the most search volume. There is no idea to guess that thing. So that's where search response comes. It will show you people also ask questions based on a topic. It will also show you people also search for snippet that we sometimes see under one result. I will show you what that looks like, and it will also show you related searches like this thing. Okay, but the difference is, you might say SEO minion tool, it also shows you people also ask questions. So what is the difference? The difference is searchresponse.io will also give you a parameter to gauge the popularity of each question. It will help you to understand which search question might get more traffic than the other. Let me show you. So I will go to the people also ask tab, and now I can search three things: a topic, an overall domain, or a specific URL of an article. Let's search based on topic, and let me search Devon Rex. Now if I press on the search button, it will take a couple of minutes, and then you will see all the people also ask questions from the topic Devon Rex. Okay, now along with that, there is the URL. Like if someone types in this question, or if the question this question is in the people also ask section, then if you click on these questions, an answer from this article will show up from bedstreet.com. Okay, now the thing is, this one here is the popularity column. The more popular search question is, the more search volume it will generally get. So this is the idea here. Popularity doesn't translate to search volume. Like 573 doesn't mean 573 people search for this keyword monthly. It's just a parameter. The more the number here, the more popular is the question, and the more search volume it should get. So this is a splendid way to have an idea which question will give me more search volume. But there are you'll never get an accurate answer on search volume. No tool can give you that. Here are some other things. You can see a similar type of stuff in Ahrefs. Here the keywords are divided on categories. Like if I click on here, all the keywords related to hypoallergenic will be shown. If I click on here, all the keywords related to breed will be shown. So here we can filter out the keywords with this stuff. Now you can search on specific topics, or you can also search for a domain. Like if I want to find out, if I give her a domain, then the tool will show me all the people also ask questions that this domain ranks for. Suppose I am searching for petfinder.com. Okay, now if I type petfinder.com and search, then it will show me all the people also ask questions petfinder.com ranks for. Okay, so this way you can also search. Another way is URL. If you want to know what people also ask questions a specific article rank for, just like suppose this specific article, then put the exact URL there, and this tool will show you. Similarly, there are people also search for section. This is what the people also search for section looks like. So you can search with a keyword or a URL, and it will show you all the stuff here. And there are also related searches. Related searches is this section. So if I type something like Persian cat, I hope the spelling is right. Okay, Persian cat. Now if I search on this keyword, it will show me all of this stuff that I will get under Google related searches. So here you can see all this thing. There is a priority feature. The more priority means the more search volume it will get. There is also a search volume column, but don't put your money on the search volume column because the data is mostly not good enough and not accurate enough, but it will just give you an idea. Okay, there is also a trend bar and CPC and other stuff like that. So this is the tool. It has a free version, but the free version is limited to daily 3 searches, I believe, or something like that. Let me show you. So here is the free version. Per month you can search 10 people, also ask questions, and it will give you 5 people also search for questions. You will get 5 people also search for keyword research and 5 related searches keyword research. You can't download any CSV, and it is applicable to only one user. Now there are paid options. If you like the tool, you can opt in for any of the paid options, and I would say this is definitely a good keyword research tool where you can invest some money and you'll get some pretty good keywords. So this is the tool. I hope you have enjoyed the video and you will try this tool out. Let me know in the comment if you have liked it or not. This is the video for today. So that's it today. Take care.